DJI's next FPV drone, which enthusiasts are calling either the Avata 3 or the Avata 360, has become a hot topic in the drone community. While nothing has been officially confirmed by DJI yet, leaks, insider hints, and discussions across forums have sparked a lot of excitement about what this new model might bring. The anticipation is driven by the hope that the next iteration of the Avata line will push the boundaries of FPV flying with faster speeds, improved cameras, longer flight times, and smarter features, building on the success of the Avata 2. The Avata series has been popular for making FPV drones more accessible to both beginners and experienced pilots. The Avata 2 already offered notable improvements in image quality, durability, and handling, but fans are eager for even more upgrades. Rumors suggest that the next model, whether called Avata 3 or Avata 360, could feature a major camera upgrade, possibly moving to a 1-inch sensor that delivers better low-light performance, higher frame rates, and enhanced HDR capabilities. This could make aerial footage more cinematic and versatile, appealing to content creators looking for professional-level results in a compact FPV drone. Performance-wise, sources hint that the new Avata might reach speeds of up to 140 km/h, paired with redesigned propellers for improved stability and responsiveness during flight. Battery life may also see a boost, with the possibility of a 3000 mAh or higher cell, offering around 25 to 30 minutes of flying time. Faster and more convenient battery swapping could also be part of the package, ensuring pilots can spend more time in the air rather than waiting on recharges. Transmission and range could be enhanced as well, with a new system designed to lower latency and increase distance, likely compatible with DJI's latest FPV goggles for a smoother immersive experience. The design of the drone is expected to remain lightweight, retaining propeller guards and a durable frame similar to the Avata 2, ensuring it can handle rough landings and more aggressive flying styles. However, if DJI decides to release it as the Avata 360, there may be additional features aimed at increasing both safety and usability. Early leaks suggest possibilities such as full 360-degree obstacle sensing, smarter return-to-home functions, improved tracking capabilities, and motion-controlled flight options. These features would make the drone more accessible to beginners while giving experienced pilots precise control and new creative possibilities. Security and privacy enhancements may also be part of the package, likely catering to regions with stricter drone regulations. This could include customizable data handling options or region-specific firmware to comply with local laws. Such additions would position DJI's new FPV drone as a safer, more versatile option for a wide audience, from casual hobbyists to professional aerial filmmakers. Price expectations appear to be in line with the Avata 2 launch. The standard kit might retail between $800 and $1,000, while a full Fly More bundle with extra accessories could land anywhere from $1,200 to $1,500. The final pricing may depend on the inclusion of upgraded cameras, new goggles, or additional smart flight features, but it seems DJI aims to keep the drone accessible to a broad range of pilots. As for the release timeline, predictions have shifted over time. Earlier speculation pointed to a mid-2025 announcement, but that window passed without any news. Current chatter suggests a possible launch in late 2025 or early 2026, which aligns more closely with DJI's typical product refresh cycles. The rumors around a 360-style FPV drone have only added to the uncertainty, as leaked prototypes look similar to the Avata 2 but hint at new functionality. This has led to debate in the community. Is DJI planning a true next-generation Avata 3? Or are they focusing on a new Avata 360 capable of full 360-degree footage? It's possible both versions exist, but only official confirmation will clarify the situation. Despite the speculation, the excitement is undeniable. Enthusiasts are eager to see whether DJI will deliver a single new model combining next-gen FPV performance with 360-degree capabilities or launch separate products to cater to different needs. Either scenario promises a drone that could redefine what's possible in the FPV space, offering faster flight, smarter features, and better cameras without sacrificing the ACC's ability that made the Avata line so popular. For now, the best approach is to watch closely for DJI's official announcement. Until then, pilots should stay informed but avoid making purchasing decisions based solely on rumors. The next Avata, whether it's the 3 or the 360, looks set to bring exciting advancements that could appeal to a wide range of drone enthusiasts. The combination of improved flight performance, enhanced camera capabilities, longer battery life, and intelligent features could make this one of DJI's most versatile FPV drones yet. Until DJI confirms the exact direction, speculation will continue, but the potential upgrades suggest that waiting could be worthwhile for those considering investing in the latest FPV technology. The hype is real, the leaks are tantalizing, and the community is buzzing with anticipation. Whether you're a seasoned pilot or just getting started, the Avata 3 or 360 is shaping up to be a drone worth keeping an eye on. Once DJI finally lifts the curtain, all the pieces will fall into place, and the true capabilities of this next-generation FPV drone will be clear. For now, all eyes are on DJI as enthusiasts eagerly await the next leap forward in FPV flight. If you want, I can also create a punchy version suitable for a YouTube script that flows naturally for narration and keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Do you want me to do that?